So guys, Hamster Combat has once again added yet another task, right? It's called the playground. Over at the playground, we have to actually download a game and play and get keys. Of course, these keys are going to be very useful. I believe these keys is what they refer to as other parameters when in the genesis of their of the entire saga, when they said you need the profit power and and other parameters over coin balance, right? It's already the end of July right now, and while we wait, let's try to do other airdrops that we at least have a better chance of getting listed, right? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about another very legit airdrop called DotCoin, right? DotCoin, and I'm going to, as always, share with you guys step by step the roadmap as to how to start DotCoin and get as much tokens as you possibly can, not just coin balance, tokens as you possibly can before the listing, right? So if you guys are excited, let's just get straight into the video. And of course, if you like this video, at the end of the video, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers before the end of the year, I guess. I know we can actually pass that, but yeah, let's just get straight into the video, starting right now.
Alright guys, so this is the particular page that's going to be greeting you once you use the link down below to register for DotCoin, right? So just click on start over here, and it's going to tell you, hello, call your name, this is DotCoin, tap on the dot and earn your coins, and a little bit later you will be very surprised. You'll be very surprised and all of that, right? So got friends, invite them, blah blah, just like any other bot. Just click on let's go and click on start right here. So now the bot is actually loading up and all of that. So now for using my link, you're going to be getting 1,500 coins or coins to start with, right? Now if you actually look at their official X account, I want to show you guys something right now. You can see that it says DTC mining has started. That is 4 days ago. 4 days ago they actually uploaded this stuff. They said DTC mining has started officially. Now every user has the opportunity to start mining our main token DTC. So just like Hamster Combat, this particular one right here, you're seeing right here that's increasing as I tap. It's not their main token, right? It's not the main thing that is here. This is just going to enable you get this particular one over here that says DTC mining 0 DTC per day, right? Just like Hamster Combat, coin balance and PPH. This one for DotCoin is coin balance and DTC mining, per day. So once you click on this place, you can see you're going to be earning 1 point, 2 points. Once you enter the second circle, once you enter the third circle and all of that, it actually skipped because I lost. You have to watch this timer down here. You have to tap and reach the last circle. I want to just share with you guys how it looks once you're done. Once you actually beat the timer, you can see the third circle 3, the fourth circle 4, and that like that. You see, we beat the timer, so it starts from beginning now. And this 9 energy bars here is exactly how it sounds like. You're going to be having 9 tries for that until you need to recharge, right? So now how do you actually start mining this DTC per day right here? Because that's the main thing. It's not this particular coin balance that's the main thing. So we're just going to go over to boost right now. Now to be able to mine that particular stuff, you're going to come to this place that says DTC mining. You can see it's inactive because I don't have enough balance. I need 50,000 coins to do that, but as you can see over here, I have just 1,675. I need 50,000 right here. So we can try our luck by coming down here to this place that says DotCoin game X2. Click on that, click on double, and let's see if it actually works. Unsuccessful attempt. Sometimes it does work, it does double your income, and sometimes it does not. So you have to try in the next like 24 hours, I believe. Right, so with that done, let's come over here now. You can see it now. How exactly do we earn enough of this stuff to actually unlock that DTC mining? Right now, you're going to obviously come to earn, and it's going to take you here. Now you can either invite friends right now, and you get 30,000 for yourself and for your friend if they actually have Telegram Premium, I believe. So, but the normal one is 1,500 for yourself and for your friend if the person does not have Telegram Premium. Now you can also check over here and see how much you're going to be earning per for the friends you refer and all that stuff. And for here now, you can see specials. You can follow the community and get over 50,000 50,000 coins for yourself. And right now you can see I've gotten that for myself, so I have 51,000 coins right now. So if I click on boost again, let's see now this DTC mining is active. So I'm just going to click on activate. You can see right now I have to do two things. Either I have to join their community and also invite one person, right? The person does not even really have to be active according to their X account. You can go and check their X account. They posted it. The person does not have to be active. The person just has to have at least participate at least once, right? Have to play the game at least once and all that stuff. So once those criteria are done, and you click on these daily attempts as well, you increase your daily attempts, increase multi-tap per tap, you want to get, instead of 111, you want to get 222 and all that stuff. This is where you increase all that stuff right here. So DotCoin is actually very, very straightforward. You can just come over here to friends as well, copy your invite link, right? Copy your invite link, invite yourself, and unlock this particular thing for yourself right now. And once you're done with that, once you unlock that stuff, you're going to see that this place that says 0 DTC per day is going to turn to 1 DTC per day right now, just like you're seeing on the screen. That is my own personal account. It's showing not 1, 2 DTC per day because I unlocked those stuffs. And guess what? I did not invite any external person to test this out. I just invited myself with my second account right now. So you can see you're in level 1. The more you increase, you're going to be increasing in level and all that stuff. Level 2, level 3, just like that and all that. You click on portfolio now. Let's see how it goes. You can see here they have over 51,675 coins. Yes, as you can see over here, you have over 51,675 coins right now. As you can see, it says DotCoin 0 DTC, and the claim will be very soon. You can see it over here, claim soon. Right now, I believe once you unlock that DTC, that 2 DTC per day for yourself, once you actually unlock it, you're going to actually have to have the option to connect your wallets right here. If you go over to the portfolio, you're going to have that option. Let me just come down. Let's go again. Let's just reload the bot right now so we can see everything. So if you go over to portfolio, you're going to be having the option to connect your wallet, just like in my own screen, as you can see on the screen right now. So now that's just basically it. You're just going to be tapping here, tapping here, tapping here. Now this particular boost, I want to really shed light on this, right? So click on multi-tap. I want to get multi-tap, then daily attempts. I want to just increase them to level 2. Then this DTC mining, we can also get that once we refer someone, right? So you can see now in this X1, this first circle, I'm getting 2. Formerly I was getting 1 per tap. Now the next one 4. It's just going to be times it by 2 now. Okay, adding by 2 rather, 6, then 8 right here, guys. You can see this is level 2. As you can see, my level here now has increased to level 2 per upgrade. Every single upgrade you upgrade right now, you're going to be increasing your level right there. You're going to be increasing your level, and you can increase your level as much as you possibly can so that you can get even more coins, right? So you can see 3, the next circle will be 6, the next circle will be 9, and the last will be 12, right? That's just how it works. You can see click 12. This is level 2 right now, and you can keep doing that right now. So if you want more coins, you can click on this N, like I've showed you guys already. You can invite friends, you can get more coins that way, or you just keep tapping on your screen and all of that. Also, very, very quickly, I wanted to share with you guys this particular site that says join clan right now. For my own clan, if you actually see my own screen, my own personal screen, you're going to see that I'm actually on the Yescoin clan right now. And if you have not watched my video on Yescoin, you should also go watch that video immediately after this video right now, because Yescoin is also going to like cook a lot, right? Because it's an underdog coin. A lot of people are just missing out on this particular opportunity because they are more focused on hamster combat and Blum, right? And these coins right now are going to make a lot of people a lot of money right here. So just click on Yescoin if you want that. You can click on anybody's own. So I'm just going to join this particular clan right now, and you're on the Yescoin clan right now. So we're just doing this in case it's actually a priority later. Some of these airdrops later, maybe at the ending stages, they're going to say that if you did not join their particular clan and all that stuff, you're not going to be receiving their airdrop and all that stuff. So to avoid all those issues and all that, just try to do the necessary things. As long as you're not paying any money, just do them, right? So that's just basically what I wanted to say lastly. So thank you guys so much for watching this particular video. It's a short one, but it's a very, very awesome one as well. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm going to be answering all of them. So please do all the good stuff. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, do all the necessary stuff. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers as soon as we possibly can right now, guys. So thank you guys so much, so much for supporting me all the way to this particular point, and I'll see you guys in the next video.